Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me. It's dance night tonight. When a neighbour comes in, we put the world to rights, have a few beers and a few rounds of darts. So this is a short video just to explain a latest happening in my world. I bought myself another car. As you know, I use every trick in the book to get around the feelings that accompany grief and sadness at grief. And I don't like to say the word, but black dog depression. I use every trick in the book It's been an interminable winter with only a few garage visits to get me through. But here we are at the beginning of April. Spring has finally sprung. There's cherry blossom on my tree outside. Time to upgrade my car. Bought one that's hopefully gonna take me around the countryside this coming year, at least. So what did I get? An R56 1598cc Mini Cooper. Why a Mini Cooper? I wanted a pretty low-key car. I just don't have the confidence to drive half of the cars I'd love, and they're not available at my budget anyway. So I've gone back to a Mini. The last one I had was a Mini 1, and that did everything I wanted till it started to go wrong. And here I am again. It's all black, so that fits in with a nice looking vehicle that I can be proud of when I'm out and about. But there's no tow bar, no way of getting my bike out and about. But I'll get out and about. So the tow bar is going to have to come as soon as I can find one, and that might take a while. I can't believe the costs for something so simple to build, but that's another story. So I just wanted to share with you what's going to take me out and about, and how I'm going to start to enjoy the spring. Watch out for more mini tales. Join me again soon.